About delegates in C#. What is delegate? Delegate is a reference type of variable that holds the reference to a method. It is similarly like C, C++ function pointer. So what delegate will do, this is going to hold the reference type of a variable that holds the reference to a method. Okay. So in delegate, we will pass method name as an argument. This is called delegate. What delegate will do, we will pass the method name as argument. That is called delegate. Okay. So what are the different types? So why we need delegate? Mainly delegates are used in events as well as callback functions. So this is called delegates. Delegates are mainly used in events and callback functions. Delegate in C#, it's a reference type of variable that holds a reference to a method, where it is similarly like your C++ function pointer. Means will pass method name as an argument. Mainly delegates are used in events and callback functions. So types of delegates, we have single cast delegate, multicast delegate, single cast delegate and multicast delegate. What is single cast delegate? Calling single method at a time. So steps to create delegate, there are three things. Step 1, delegate declaration, delegate instantiation, and delegate calling. These are all the three things we will be the steps to follow the delegate. Now how to create delegate? Let me go to Visual Studio. So here I'll take my whatever program I want to write. So what I'll do now, I'm going to create one folder, add folder delegates. Okay, right click, add class C#. Okay, so now how to create delegate? Let's see now. First thing, I have to declare one delegate. How to declare one delegate? So give the access modifier, delegate, void delegate name, and what are the arguments you want. If you want to give the arguments, you can give, or you can just give print. Printle. This is my delegate name. This is how do the declaration. Step 1. So second, what I do, instantiation. Before going to instantiate, I'll create one method, public static void display console.writeLine. Hello, welcome to AB First Tech console.writeLine. This is the example of single cast delegate. Okay, now I have a display method. Now I'll go to a main method, static void main method. So a main method is required, right? So now I want to create the instance of delegate, means instance of class first. So I'm going to create the instance of class delegate, new delegate. Okay, this is class. Now I have to do the instantiation, delegate instantiation, step 2. Instantiation. So how to do the delegate instantiation? Now create object for your delegate. What is your delegate? Print delegate. This is your delegate name. Delegate name. Similarly like object, you create object for it, equals new delegate of. You have to see what, so it is something expecting. What is this? Does not contain a constructor that takes 0 arguments, means you have to pass your method name as an argument, like this. This is delegate instantiation. Third thing, delegate invocation, means calling the delegate. Step 3, delegate calling. How to call? Print delegate. That's it. So what will happen now? So this is your delegate. Access modifier, delegate keyword, return type, and the delegate name. If you want to pass any arguments, you have to pass. And make sure that your method signature should match with the delegate signature. Then only you could able to inject that method to that particular delegate. Means if method don't have arguments, delegate also no arguments. If delegate has arguments, methods also should have the arguments. Then only you could able to inject the delegate to particular method. Now we have declared the delegate and I have a static method here. I have created the object. So now no need of creating the object for my class only, because I don't have any instance members. If display is a non-static method, then we would have created the object for it, class, right? So this is how delegate will work. Now I'll call the delegate. This call, we have already injected the display method to the delegate. So it will going to call this method. Let's see how it will work. Let's debug this, run it. So I'm calling the delegate. So this is how it is going to display. Now let's do console.read or read key. Run it. We could able to see the output now. So now let's go to F10, F11. So we are injecting the delegate now. So now let's see this print delegate will have the method, right? Method void display. Okay, method. Okay, like that. Now it will go to that particular method and it will go give you the output like this. So this is called single cast delegate, means calling single method at a time is called single cast delegate. Okay, understood? So this is single cast delegate, calling single method at a time. So next we have to know about the multicast delegate. So suppose this is a static method. If it is a non-static method, then here you have to create the object for class, right? With object name dot method name you have to call. if it is a non-static method. Now let's see a simple multicast delegate type 2. Multicast delegate. So how to create a multicast delegate? So I'll give the class name multicast delegate example. Okay, now so delegate name I'll give calc. Okay, like this. So methods I'm going to give addition. So calc will take two arguments, int x, int y. Method int a, int b. Console.writeLine sum of 0. 0th position I want to print a, comma 1. In this position I want to print b is 2. This is called placeholders. In this place I want to print a plus b. So this is my addition method. So if I want a subtract, multiplication, division. Correct? Multiplication. So here also can give addition, subtraction. Multiplication, division. Method name, let's me give the div. Okay. So division is this. So I have 4 methods now. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now I want to create the, so delegate declaration is done. And I want to create the instance of this particular delegate. So what is my delegate name? Calc. Calc. New calc of, we have to give the argument name, right? How to give argument name? Method name. Method name means addition. Okay. So now here also see method signature should match with your delegate signature. You can't give add. You know what you need? You need instantiation of class. It's not a static method, right? Multicast delegate example. Okay, this is my object dot method name like this. Okay, this is one method I have added. I have to create one more method. you have to add one more method, right? So what I do, multicast delegate equals to multicast delegate plus like this. This is subtraction. So instead of giving this, if I give plus equals to also, it is same. So same thing, I can write like this. This is also same. Assignment operator, right? Plus equals to means A plus equals to B means A equals to A plus B. Okay, like this. So subtraction is added. Next, what else we have? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Like this. Okay. So we have added addition, subtraction, multiplication, division like this. Now, how you want to call the delegate? So pass two values. Console.write line. Enter first number. Int first number equals convert dot 232 of console dot write line. Similarly, I'll take second number. Okay. Here I will give first number comma second number. Now we have four methods now. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Let me run my program. Enter first number 10. Enter second number 20. I have given two numbers: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. What is the output? 10 plus 20, which is 30, correct? 10 minus 20 minus 10. 10 into 20, 200. 10 by 20, 0. Correct? Understood, guys? Any doubts here? This is called multicast delegate. Here we are calling multiple methods at a time. We are just calling the delegate. So delegate already have four methods. So it's going to inject all the methods. If you give 100 methods also, it will invoke at a time. This is called multicast delegate.